Hello students, welcome to English grammar class. Today we will start our first chapter, that is alphabetical order. Do you remember when you first learned about the English alphabet? Do you remember when you first learned about the English alphabet? You were probably in nursery or in junior KG when you learned to recite the alphabet in the correct order. आप सबको ये तो पता होगा कि अल्फ़ाबेट क्या होता है. दैट मीन्स A to Z. Have you ever wondered how words are placed in dictionary? A dictionary gives a list of words in alphabetical order and explains what they mean. This makes it easier for you to find their meaning. आप सबने डिक्शनरी देखी होगी. डिक्शनरी की हेल्प से हम सब वर्ड्स फाइंड कर सकते हैं. आप सबने ये भी देखा होगा कि डिक्शनरी में वर्ड्स कैसे अरेंज होते हैं. इस कम स्टार्ट विद ए एंड एंड विद जेड. और आपने ये भी देखा होगा कि डिक्शनरी जब हम यूज़ करते हैं तो उसके साथ जो वर्ड देते हैं उसका मीनिंग भी दिया होता है. सो वी इट्स मेक टू ईजियर टू लर्न देयर मीनिंग. Even telephone directory, address book, contacts of your mom-dad phones follow alphabetical order. You guys have seen your mom-dad's phones also in a contact list. You can see all words are arranged in alphabet order. Start with A and then come B, then C in a particular series. Here is what is alphabetical order. Putting things in an alphabetical order is as easy as ABC. In fact, you have to know your ABC well in order to put words in the alphabetical order. Here we can say when we write ABC, then we written in a sequence or in a series. Start with A and then B, C and then end with Z. To put words in the alphabetical order, look at the first letter to the words and then arrange them. For instance, the word catch comes before match because C comes before M. Here we can take two examples: apple, balloon, cake, doll, and second one is flower, giraffe, nest and toy. In the first example, we had A, B, C and D. But in the second example, all the letters are not in the same series, but they are in alphabetical order. In there is important what word is come in begin. You can see flower, giraffe, nest, toy. In second example, you guys see flower, then giraffe, then nest and toy. All are in a series, but they are not in a same series. It's called alphabetical order. When there are two words begin with the same letter, then you have to look at the next letter and arrange words according to the alphabetical order. For example, the word call comes before the word cell because those both the words begin with C. The second letter A comes before E. Here is we can see call and cell. The first letters both are C and then A, then E. If the first letters are same, then we move on to the second letter. Here we can take another example: cake, chocolate, milk, butter, tea. In this example, we can see five words. First one is start with butter, B. Then second, both are C. Here is C, cake and C, chocolate. If the first letters are same, then we move on to the second letter. Here is A and then H. Then come cake, after that chocolate, then milk, after in the last we can say tea. I hope now you must understood how to arrange a given set of words in the correct order. So remember one thing, we always have to make sure that the beginning letters of the words are in the correct order of the alphabet, that is starting from A till Z. So the first letter are same, then move into the second letter. Hope you guys understand what is alphabetical order. Now move on to the first assignment, which one is given in our book. Here is the first assignment. First one is put these summer Olympic sports in alphabetical order. Here are written the words. हमें इन सब वर्ड्स को पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर में, अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. स्टार्ट विद ए, देन बी, देन सी इज अ पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर, एंड वी ऑलरेडी डन इन अवर फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट्स. हियर इज ए आर्चर्स, बैडमिंटन, बेसबॉल, बास्केटबॉल, बीच वॉलीबॉल, canoeing, cycling, diving, fencing, golf, gymnastics, shooting, triathlon, volleyball, weightlifting and wrestling. And the second one is write these words in the correct alphabetical order. Here are the words. They are not arranged in a series, not in a particular order. And then we have to arrange all these words in a particular series. Here is at, big, blue, eyes, little, looking, the, through and tiny. And the last one is third. Write these words in a alphabetical order. We already arranged in our assignments these words in a particular series. Here is ant, bright, gazed, into, night, saw, sky, stars, the, up, way. So you guys already done in your notebook. Please read carefully. Hope you guys understand the topic alphabetical order. Thank you all of you. Have a good day.